I'm on the Origin Amenity Solutions stand. I'm with Glen Howard, and he's the man that's in charge of all the robotics and line marking equipment. And we spoke last a few months back, and since then things have been going pretty well, I believe.
Yeah. We've just sold a couple of robots this morning, and interestingly, we've just come up with a new payment plan for the robots, so it makes it more affordable for smaller clubs, schools, and colleges to be able to buy into the technology.
Yeah, because if you were doing it money up front, it sounds quite a lot of money, but if you break it down, like buying a car, it down, it's manageable.
Yes, so the sport robot, you can sort of payment plan that machine over 5 years with 5 years warranty for around about £350 a month. And then the Pro X machine, that one works out at about £650 a month, so it just makes it more affordable for people to use that technology.
And it sounds £600 a month is fine until you work out how much manpower you're saving. And I'm doing your job for you.
No, it's quite an easy sell when you can mark a pitch in 20 minutes instead of taking 2 hours. You can sort of up to your production by probably 200 or 300% to obviously make more money and obviously mark more pitches in a quicker time.
And I understand as well that at the end of the 5 years, the machine's yours.
Yeah, so different to some of the other suppliers, it's not a lease plan. It's actually a payment plan, and at the end of the 5 years, the machine becomes yours, and you can do what you want with that machine, either part X it or carry on using it until...
I don't suppose anybody knows what the lifespan of these machines are yet.
Well, we've got machines out in the field that are over 5 years old now. Some of them are a little bit worse for wear because people haven't looked after them, but for me, you should be able to keep these machines for sort of 7 to 10 years quite easily if you look after them and keep them serviced regularly.
Now, for those people that are not into robots, you've got a manually push one version as well here as well.
Yeah, so what we're trying to promote, so normally golf courses would use aerosols to mark out of bounds and temporary greens. That actually normally costs around about £4.50, so roughly 4.5p per linear metre. If you use a pressure marker and obviously a tub of paint, we can actually get that down to less than a penny per linear metre, so it's a lot more cost effective and the paint lasts longer and you're not using aerosols.
And if you look after the pennies, the pounds look after themselves.
That's it, yep, definitely.
So looking ahead, this is relatively new technology, but looking ahead, exciting times.
Yes, definitely. Like I say, we're always moving forward. We're always looking at new software for the robots and new templates. We were just talking this morning to the manufacturer. Do we start doing bullseyes for chipping areas and stuff like that? So we're always looking to move it forward and develop extra things that the customer wants.
That's what makes it an exciting world, isn't it?
Yep, definitely. Yep.
Smashing. Well, thanks very much for your time, Glenn. We'll let you get back onto some, as you say, they'll probably sell themselves. You can sit and have a coffee and watch them jump off the shelves.
Yeah, lovely. Thank you.
Thanks very much.